you want to achieve success in life, you need to work hard. You need to live life with determination. You need to have the patience, and more than anything, you need to be driven by your purpose and have the passion to achieve it. But despite all this, life still throws different challenges at you every single day, isn't it? We fail and we fall and lose hope. You know what's the biggest enemy of success? It's giving up and losing hope. If we lose hope, then we lose everything. Whenever we face challenges, how many ever number of times we fall, we fail, it's the ability to bounce back and not lose hope that determines our life. There are certain things which are in our control, but certain things which are completely beyond our control. Many people think that whatever preparation and planning they've done, they're still not able to get that single opportunity and achieve their results. And what do? They lose hope and they give up. You may have prepared yourself long and hard for one long year, but on the day of the game, you may not be able to perform at your best. Does it mean that whatever efforts, whatever hard work, whatever pain that you went through to reach this level is all waste, is all gone? No, certainly no. This was not your day, and that's all. One thing we must all accept and come to terms with is there are things in life which are completely beyond our control. Thinking that everything is in our hands can disappoint us and frustrate us when things don't go our way. What we must do instead is we must put our best efforts and best foot forward. We can easily give up and lose ourselves, and especially during these times. We are all going through terrible testing times during this pandemic period. People have lost jobs and they've lost many things. They are in a state of despair. They think that they've reached a dead end. And it's during this period, more than ever, that we need to rekindle our hope. We need to stay strong. We need to have the hope that things will be better. The worst thing to happen in life is to lose hope. So have that hope that if not today, one day will come and you will achieve whatever you dreamt of, whatever you aspire to be. But continue your hard work, continue your practice, stay on the path of perseverance, and definitely you will sense the opportunity and you will strike hard and you will strike gold. Daily incremental improvements produce lasting results which in turn lead to positive change. But if you give up and lose hope, there's nothing more terrible if a golden opportunity comes by at that time when you've dropped your guard. So don't let the idea of quitting enter your mind. Stay strong. Fight for what it is that you want. The people who win in life are the ones that don't give up. We are never given things that we can't handle. Always remember this, my friends. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. So when life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. Stay strong, become resilient. It is inside you. It is in your DNA. Just awaken it. Just focus on where you need to be and not what is happening currently in your life. The only way you can lose is if you can quit. Tell your pains, tell your struggles that you're stronger than them. Nobody can stop you except you. A winner is just a loser who tried one more time. So don't give up. It's always the last inch, the last shot, the next corner that holds you what you seek. Don't quit before you reach it. And that's why I say, don't lose hope. Don't give up.